Free digital signage on a Samsung TV with no extra box, no app to install, and no monthly fees. It's open source, you host it yourself, and it runs straight from a web address. In a couple of minutes, I'll turn a Samsung screen into a live, managed sign. Here's all you need: a Samsung Signage display, or a Samsung TV with a URL launcher or a built-in web browser, plus a ScreenTinker server to point it at, the free hosted plan, or self-host your own. Both are linked below. No streaming stick, nothing to plug in. The entire player is just a web page, served by your ScreenTinker server at /player. So instead of installing anything, you hand your TV that one web address, and it does the rest. On a Samsung Signage display, open the URL launcher and set the address to your server /player. On a regular Samsung TV, the built-in web browser works the same way. Save it as the boot source, and the screen opens straight into the player every time it powers on. The player loads full screen, no menus, no desktop. Within a few seconds, you're looking at the ScreenTinker player, ready to be claimed. It shows a 6-digit pairing code. That code is how you take control of the screen. This is exactly what a freshly deployed sign looks like, clean and waiting for content. Head to your ScreenTinker dashboard, click Add Display, and enter the code. The Samsung screen appears in your device list instantly, online, and under your control. Now push content. Upload an image or a video, build a playlist, and hit publish. Within seconds, the TV updates live. You can schedule by time of day, split the screen into zones, even build a video wall across several panels. It renders the same rich layouts as the rest of ScreenTinker, multi-zone screens, widgets like clocks and menus, and it keeps displaying your content even if the network drops. And that's it. Free, open-source digital signage on a Samsung TV with no box, no app, and no monthly fees. The player URL, the docs, and the GitHub repo are all linked below. Give it a star if this helped. Thanks for watching.